You know, when we started and we had the CSA, we were just like giving away vegetables to neighbors, and like, you know, it's hard to like sell it to them and try to make a profit off them. And, well, we're very loose about everything. But as we said, you know, we've got to make this a business. We've got to make it real. We've got to separate out, you know, who we are in our personal lives with that this is business. Doesn't mean you have to be an asshole. It just means you have to separate that out and know that this is a business. You're no longer working for someone where you're taking a paycheck. You're now working for yourself, and it's important to make money at it. And it is a business. You're an entrepreneur now, and you're taking care of you and your family. And so you have to be thinking about that bottom line all the time. And there's nothing wrong with that. And even though we felt strange in that transition, nobody around us did. It was just us, we were feeling it. But everybody else seemed to recognize that. So there's really nothing wrong with doing it. No one's going to be upset by it. And you're going to feel better about it. You're going to be able to separate those things. And then you can, when you do things that do affect the environment, or you know, that are good for the environment, or helping somebody else out, then it means more, right? That you're actually taking a step away from your business and doing those things that mean more and feel good. Yeah?